Let's go buy pancit canton. Tita, pabili po pancit canton.
Ang flavor.
Kalamansi po.
Ilan?
Magkano po?
18. 18 isa. Ilan ba?
Isa lang po.
Alam. Namerienda ka?
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18.
Grabe. Oh, naglaga ka. Bibili ka na lang?
Opo.
Balik ka na lang. Maluluto naman na yung kanin yata. 12. 14. Oh, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, sobrang dos.
Thank you po.
Then,
Let's go. We're gonna do a mukbang. If the noodles is ready with my scrambled egg. Yeah, so Tita, paki-boil ang ano. Ninalagyan mo lang yung sa kawali tapos ibabalatan mo.
ay, dami mong alam.
Eh gusto ko eh.
Anong babalatan? Babalatan mo sa karton?
Hindi, yung itlog.
Yung ano, lalaga lang?
Oo.
Ilaga lang?
Opo. Okay, let's go inside. Let's have a tour, everyone. This is our, I don't know what this is called. Look, it's very pretty. And right over here. This is our living room. It's big and with vases. I need to be careful because of these. And this is where we sleep. I think we have another room right here because this is my auntie's bedroom now. It's nothing. And this is her, what's this called again? Banquet blankets. She forgot it here, and my chicken. Not the chicken. My closet, kitchen, and the CR, bathroom. Bye-bye, bookies.